So, Veterans Class Final Hit RL Lamitan City, Basilan. Wow, grabe. Whole shot, Windsor. Jerry Bits, Saysay Busayong, and Windsor Pamorka, Zarib Apparel. So, Jerry Bits leading, followed by Windsor Pamorka, Zarib Apparel. And third, it's Dan Stewart, Dandan Perez, Saysay Busayong. Wow. Ala! Nakauna si Zarib Apparel, bay. Zarib Apparel on the lead. Wow. Windsor Pamorka from Zarib Apparel. Up! Up! Wow! Ikan, oy! Nag-slow down si Dandan Perez. Wow! So, it's Windsor Pamorka na kauna. Wow! Veterans category. Fourth, it's Saysay Busayong. Coco Clim and Engineer Piping Mar. So, it's Windsor Pamorka na kauna from Zarib Apparel. Grabe, dili basta-basta, bay. Wow, 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 wow. Second, it's Jerry Bits. Third, it's Dandan Perez. Oy, natumpa dito. Saysay Busayong. Ay, murag nawala si Coco Clim. Engineer Piping Mar na on. Wow. White flag for Windsor Pamorka. Jerry Bits and Dandan Perez. Wow. Wala si Coco Clim. White flag na tayo. White flag, white flag. Waiting for checkered flag. Windsor Pamorka. Uy, ano nangyari? Watanabe. Wow. Watanabe from Japan. So, Windsor Pamorka waiting for checkered flag. Wow. Wow, grabe shoot ang yaman Windsor. Oy, Dandan Perez. Oh, champion Dan Stewart or veterans category. Dora na banggaan na. Saysay Busayong and Piping Mar. Coco Clim, checkered flag.